PRC-Saltillo is excited to introduce our newest feature for NovaChat, the Whiteboard. Update your NovaChat to software version 2.38 to access the Whiteboard. A whiteboard allows you to communicate, collaborate, and connect. Use the whiteboard to work on early literacy and emerging writing skills. One of the first steps in developing written language skills is scribbling. When looking at scribbles, parents and communication partners will attribute meaning to those scribbles. Children then begin to make connections between spoken language and written language. Now AAC learners can use the whiteboard to start to experience scribbling and writing while also being able to talk about it. A whiteboard can also be used to create drawings, to communicate, or provide visual supports for communication. There are many ways to use a whiteboard in communication, so let's take a look at it in action. You can access the whiteboard in many WordPower files by going to Groups, School, and Whiteboard. Also, you can create your own button on the social page or wherever else it makes sense for you to access your whiteboard. Or put a whiteboard button on multiple pages in your vocabulary for quick and easy access to it. On the whiteboard, you can draw and erase lines, you can change the color and thickness of your writing, and you can save your creations to use later. There are so many uses for Whiteboard. How will you use the whiteboard today?